There's a need to dampen spending in Barbados further to protect the country's reserves of foreign exchange. That's according to Central Bank Governor Dr. Delal Worrell, who made the comment in his January economic letter. Ryan Boom has more.
The governor says that the island's reserves protect against devaluation of the currency. He adds that government is committed to a further reduction in the fiscal deficit in order to relieve pressure on the foreign reserves. Dr. Worrell says the immediate objective is to set the debt to GDP ratio firmly on a downward path by achieving a deficit that is lower than the increase in the GDP forecast for 2017. According to the governor, that will serve to boost confidence and give access to funds from banks and other investors whose contribution to government financing has not increased in recent times. Meanwhile, he says the improvement in the national work ethic and the upgrade of public services are high priority. The governor adds that, quote, "We know what has to be done and we have the institutions and tools for the job at hand," unquote. He also says, "We are agreed on the objectives to grow the economy through the competitiveness of the foreign exchange sectors, to improve productivity in government and the private sector, to reduce government expenditure, and to reverse the decline in foreign reserves." He notes also we must therefore be resolute in pursuit of these objectives. Ryan Broom for the Business Report.
A Barbadian businessman has received a 2016 Caribbean American Heritage or CARA Vanguard Award. He is Gabriel Abed, the Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of BIT Inc. The award was presented at the 23rd Annual CARA Gala as hosted on Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. by the Institute of Caribbean Studies. In bestowing the award, the Institute made reference to Abed's groundbreaking achievements in the finance industry and specifically his thorough leadership in addressing fintech for the Caribbean economy. Abed co-founded BIT Inc. in 2013 with the aim of persuading Caribbean nationals to adopt digital currencies, starting with the digitalization of the Barbadian dollar, a world first. BIT has since received significant financial investment from United States retail giant Overstock.com. Abed said that he was honored and humbled to receive the award on behalf of BIT Inc. and was proud to be the sole Barbadian among this year's awardees. It's time now to take a look at how the stocks traded on selected exchanges across the region.
In Jamaica, Cable and Wireless Jamaica Limited was the volume leader with 667,394 units, followed by JMMB Group Limited 7.50% and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. In Trinidad, Guardian Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 59,500 shares valued at $772,630.64, followed by Trinidad Cement Limited and the West Indian Tobacco Company Limited. And in Barbados, Sagicor Financial Corporation Limited was the volume leader, trading 4,641 shares at $2.06 each, followed by the West India Biscuit Company Limited and Massey Holdings Limited.